guys, welcome back. I'm making this quick video about a special that we're running on the last two Traverse non-electric pellet stoves that we have in stock. We're trying to blow them out. This is the time of year to where wood cook ovens are in need of coming in and needing a place to sit in our shop. Over the summer, we found two more Traverse units that are non-electric, gravity-fed. For you out there that lose power a lot or you're off the grid, this will heat your home. Now, a lot of people, I kid you not, when we put our video out there that's circulating about the Breckwelltraverse, people are writing, well, you're not off grid if you have to go out and buy pellets, right? That is correct, okay? So you're gonna obviously have to have a source for pellets in order to use the stove. You have to use 6-inch wood stove chimney systems with this stove. You do not use a pellet vent type of system with this pellet stove. So you are gonna have to have the ability to install a 6-inch system if you don't have one in your house already. They don't encourage you to try to hook this up to a 7 or 8-inch system because it is designed to exhaust into a 6-inch chimney system, okay? And you have to have a minimum of 15 feet in order for it to create a proper draw in order for the stove to operate efficiently. $1,200 off. It's normally $36.99. We've got two left, $24.99. If you want one or you're interested in one, I'm gonna put a link in the description of the Breckwelltraverse pellet stove that I put on last season that is circulating. And again, if you're seeing this, we were out of these stoves. We found two sitting in the back of a distributor's warehouse, and we went ahead and took them off their hands due to the fact that we do have the video out there circulating and we have had interest shown. So we went ahead and we picked these up. They're sitting here ready to ship out to you today. All right? Peace.